Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to watch this video. So today we're gonna be reviewing another makeup item. Surprise, surprise. You probably know how much I love doing review videos, but my previous video I thought I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. So I did the actual tutorial. I wasn't reviewing anything whatsoever. I just did like a 5-minute glam up makeup look. So this is the result. I think the video should be already up on my channel. If not, then it's gonna be soon. So that's a makeup look I created. So in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing a rather interesting item. So this one is by RevolutionPro, the Makeup Revolution brand. So it's cruelty-free, vegan, it's super affordable. I can't remember how much this was, but it was cheap. But Makeup Revolution, RevolutionPro, or any Revolution owned brands, they are mega affordable and extremely pigmented. And honestly, every time I try a new product, the quality of it just goes. Because I've been using Makeup Revolution for, I think since they launched and they were not really popular or anything. I came across that by accident and I just fell in love with the brand. So I've been using ever since. But honestly, they just create a better and better quality makeup. So it's more of a high end rather than drugstore quality. This one is the Illustrator, and they say that there is a multi-use pigment sticks for eyes, lips and cheeks, which is rather interesting. I took in the color Inventive, which is red, because I thought eyes, lips and cheeks you could use red, but we had loads of other colors, so I was a bit confused. Although brown you could use probably as a contour because we had the dark colors. And there's a like eyeliner, brown lip. Anyways, I went with the red, so here it is. We're just gonna check this out. It looks like a crayon, kinda. You know when you get lip crayons? It looks like that. It has no smell whatsoever, which is a plus always, rather than no smell than like a plasticky smell or something annoying. Right, let's do a swatch. By the way, I took only one because I wasn't sure what it is and how good or bad it is, so I thought I'm just gonna go with one. It swatches so beautifully though. I thought it's gonna be a little bit darker red, like on a packaging. I thought it's gonna be that red rather than this lighter red, but it's okay. I'm just gonna quickly wipe off this lippy that I have now on the lips and we're gonna try it. I'm not sure if it's transfer proof or waterproof or anything, so I'm just gonna try to smudge this. I thought it's not gonna be like waterproof or transfer proof because they say it's multi-purpose. They don't say it's multi-purpose, they say it's just a stick for eyes, lips and cheeks. But I thought it needs to be easy blendable. It can't be, you know, everything proof, because if you're using for cheeks you need to be able to do this. But I wouldn't really use as a blush. I don't know why I didn't go for darker color, because I could have used for my contour. But we do have darker browns and more like a grayish browns and even whites. But anyways, let's just try on our lips and see what we got. And maybe add a little bit on the eyes as an eyeliner. We could do that, right? Let's try. Okay, first thought, extremely easy to use. It glides on the lips super easy. I thought it's just gonna smudge everywhere, but it's actually very easy to use. It's not, you know, very liquidy or anything like that. I honestly thought it's gonna be a burgundy color like in here, but then unpacking, this color is already completely different, although the color name is exactly the same. So that's a little bit confusing. So if just buying by the package is a little bit misleading, I would say. But saying that, I actually really like this color. I wouldn't pick up the shade of red or shade of coral normally if I would see, because I wouldn't think that that would kinda look good on me, because I tended to go for that kind of red, like burgundy red. But I kinda like it. Like I would legit wear it, you know. And it feels on the lips a bit like a chapstick. So my lips doesn't feel sticky or anything like this. Look, you see, it feels like my lips being moisturized. Literally feels like a chapstick on a lips, so definitely not gonna dry your lips out. I'm not too keen though about using this on the cheeks. If you're going for extreme look, with this color, maybe any other shade, because as I said, I was just a bit confused about the product. But this shade I wouldn't go on cheeks, or if you have very dark skin, then maybe a tiny dab, because otherwise it would be just far too much and I will look like a doll, which is not the greatest look. But or if you're going for this, then you know, go for it. For the eyes, that might actually be a very interesting look using this, especially there were so many other different colors. So that could actually work for the eyes. I'm kind of tempted to add a liner. I'm not sure if that will match. Should we just risk in trying to do the eyeliner using this? You know what? Why not? I'm just gonna take the eyeliner brush and gonna try to take some on, because it says it's for the eyes, for the lips, and for the cheeks. So we're just gonna test this out, right? Give it a full go. If I'm gonna ruin my makeup, and oh well. What do you think, guys? I'm not gonna lie, I kinda like it. On the eyes, it looks a little bit darker because I had the eyeshadow, the darker eyeshadow underneath. So as it went on the top, it kinda got a little bit darker than on the lips. But I do like this eyeliner. I might be using this for my eyeliner as well as for lips. So here's my super quick review video of this RevolutionPro, the Illustrator. And honestly, pleasantly surprised. So thumbs up for this jumbo stick, pigment stick as they call it. It feels amazing on the lips. Super creamy, like a chapstick. So it's not gonna dry out your lips. I don't remember how much it cost, so I don't wanna lie, but it was super cheap. Honestly, super cheap. Everything from Makeup Revolution is mega affordable in RevolutionPro, I would say. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this review and tutorial video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly guys, that would mean a lot to me if you would press the button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Ciao for now!